G'day, this is Roy from Humanising Money Matters. Another chapter in the journey of the financial year for startup business owners and the financial entrepreneurs that are trying to find their way. August 31 is another date that I like to signpost for people because it's a good time to get your previous year's tax returns done. Again, it's a habit and it's a good signpost and a good routine to get into, because what happens sometimes as the year gets busier and busier, getting your tax return done falls further and further down the list, and then suddenly, oh gee, that year's gone by, another year's due, I'll do it now. Oh gee, I'm getting busy, and suddenly you can have 2, 3, 4 or 5 years even of tax returns that suddenly haven't been done, and you're in all sorts of bother because you just simply don't know how to rectify the situation. Simple advice: put August 31 into your diary every year. That's the year you want to make sure you go through your previous year records up to June 30. You make sure everything's complete. You've got your bank statements, you've got your business receipts. If you're functioning on a online cloud platform, even better. But the important part is that to be a good business owner and have discipline around your tax affairs, getting to your tax agent by August 31 from the end of the financial year of June 30 is a really good habit to get into. Particularly for the startup, it's good to know if you've finished your job and you've leapt into the land of small business startup and entrepreneurship, then you need to make sure you know that your previous year's affairs as an employee are all signed off and complete, and if any tax has to be paid, you're aware of it. Then you can have a good discussion with your tax agent. I really think that's a terrific idea, to find a good tax agent or business advisor that can help you understand what's in front of you. A lot of young people have fantastic ideas, great skills on social media, on IT, and building things from scratch, but it all falls away once they get into the real world. Oh gee, I've earned money, how does that work out with the tax man? So if, again, as soon as you start up, find yourself a good tax accountant or a good business advisor that can step you through what you need to do to keep these things in routine. And then, as I said, you're able to finalise your previous year if you've finished your employment and you're now full-time in the business. And then you have the support of your tax agent, tax accountant, who understands what you're trying to achieve and give you some pointers on cash flow management, bill management, and above all, making sure that you are putting enough money aside for your tax, and to be prepared what happens when certain thresholds, like the number I mentioned in my welcome video, $18,200 profit, is once you get past that, you then have to start to plan for paying tax. So I hope this is helpful, and once again, a pleasure for you to reach out and talk to me. And this is Roy, Humanising Money Matters, wishing you the best and signing off. Thanks. See you later.